Over here at the Hoover Dam.
For southeast, we go with the train. Seeing it has been cracked, broken off. You can see the rust rebar for 50 years. The train fell off it the other day.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they're shocked.
Hey, this is interesting. Wow. Hoover Dam.
I'm sorry. Oh, stay right there. It's okay.
Thank you. Hey, this is interesting.
Tons of space. Keep moving through the doorway so everybody can make their way in. Then you can take your photos. Keep coming on into the room just so I can get everybody in here and then you can move around. Alright. Please take all those photos during my talk because as soon as I'm done we do have to leave. So please take your photos right now. Welcome everyone to the Hoover Dam Power Plant. It is a U-shaped building and we are standing in the Nevada wing. The dam is actually behind this back wall that says Bureau of Reclamation or the one with the benches. It's behind this wall. The dam is 726 feet high, 45 feet thick at the very top, and 660 feet thick at the base. To put the base into perspective, from this back wall to that far wall is 650 feet, and you'd still have to add 10 more feet to get the thickness of the base of the dam. Now if you look to the floor at the generators, they remind me of big red drums. They are 70 feet tall, but we can only see the top 30 feet. The other 40 feet are below the floor. If you look at that first generator, it says N1 at the very top. If you follow your eye down, you'll see that little window. In there, that is the center shaft. It is 65 feet tall. At the bottom attached to it is the turbine that gets hit by the water to spin that center shaft. In the red section there are 40 electromagnets that spin past about 5 miles of stationary copper coiling to produce power. There are 17 commercial generators, 9 on the Arizona side and 8 on this side. Each unit is rated for up to 130 megawatts. That is enough power to supply about 65,000 homes with electricity. If all 17 units were working at maximum capacity, that would be enough power for about 1 million homes. For our power needs here, we use 2 Pelton water wheel generators. You can see one down there on the floor behind the barriers. They are those rust-colored half circles sticking out of the ground. There is another one in the Arizona wing as well. Each of these water wheels produce 2.4 megawatts of power, and they supply power to this entire facility, including the elevator we used to get down here. Now if you look up above the generators, you'll see those 2 green P&H bridge cranes. That front one has the American flag hanging from it. There are 2 more in that Arizona wing as well. Each of these cranes can lift up to 300 tons. To give you an idea, the Statue of Liberty weighs 225 tons, so each crane could easily lift it. But that's not enough here, because the largest part of those generators is the rotor, and it can weigh up to 600 tons, which is why they have 2. They combine both of those cranes together so that they can lift it up and out for maintenance, and they do all that maintenance here in-house in that large empty space just off the balcony right there. The last place I would like to direct your attention is this terrazzo marble floor beneath our feet. It is a conglomerate of terracotta, marble, granite, and diorite. Hoover Dam has 121,000 square feet of this flooring that you can see throughout the dam and the power plant. It was placed by the Martina family between 1936 and 1937 and cost under $60,000. All right, this ends our time all together. If you have those red, white, and blue wristbands on, hold them up. Lucian, hold on.
Very happy. Yeah.
may be hot.